In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you use the Indeed Career Guide. The Indeed Career Guide can be your go-to resource for all of the career-related things, which may be job searches or resume building, preparing for your interviews, etc. So the first thing that you can do is just head over to the Career Guide section. If you search this up, indeed.com/career-advice, you're going to land up on the Careers Guide section. This way you can find different articles that helps you out on different aspects on your career. Secondly, you can explore relevant topics. This means you can browse through different categories. If you scroll down, you'll see a section called topics. This way you'll have different topics that you can explore, and based on what you need, you can just go inside of each of these topics. For example, if you're applying for your first job, you can head over to the finding a job section. So if you search for finding your first job, you can see a similar topic that is related to it. This way it's going to list down all of the popular articles that are related to finding your first job. You can go through each of these topics or articles that are relevant, and also each of these articles includes practical tips and examples that you can use straight away in your career. So for example, if you head over to the resume building section, it's going to give you different ideas or even templates that you can use to create your first resume. As soon as you read, make sure you apply to your resume or career as well. After you're done reading, make sure you update your resume with different phrases or different advice that you get inside of these articles. So that was a quick guide on the way that you use the Indeed Career Guide section. If this short video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.